Alright, we're making a video recording here today of 17737 11th Avenue Northeast sewer system. We are making this recording from the roof vent in the home. We are about 117 feet out. I've got my camera reel down at the ground level, so we are not that far out, but that's what we're at on the camera because I got a lot of slack line here. So I'm guessing we're closer to, I don't know, 80 feet out from where we're leaving the house, or where the line leaves the house. Anyway, coming back from the main there, that's the shoreline main, coming back in 6-inch diameter concrete pipe here. Got a bathroom sink running right now in the house so that we can kind of keep the lens clean. That's why you see some water running along the bottom of the pipe. A little bit aggregate along the bottom here. Let's get a good look at the line here as we come back though. We're going from 4-inch diameter pipe, or 6-inch diameter pipe back into 4-inch diameter pipe here. We are probably right about at the property line here. This is generally where that transition is made, is at the property line to the house. So 6-inch diameter coming back into 4-inch. If we're in Ronald Wastewater, that is also likely where Ronald Wastewater takes over maintenance of the pipe. So coming back onto the property, this is definitely the responsibility of the homeowner. Ronald Wastewater would make the final declaration as to where their responsibility actually is, but oftentimes it is at the 6-inch diameter transition. So as we come back in the 4-inch diameter on property pipe, we see the line's a little bit more aggregate along the bottom. Concrete is more worn. Got a seam in the pipe about every 2 feet. There's a piece of waste you see floating down while the water runs, demonstrating how a sewer works. We're coming around this last corner, and the customer had been informed of a crack somewhere in this area. There's definitely a seam there. It's hard to tell if that's a seam or a crack. Should have a clean out down there anyway, so that first turn is the first place to go. So we're gonna locate this spot and recommend we put an access spot in here. I'm gonna finish the video. We've now seen, well, I'll show the cast iron as well since we're up here. There's the cast iron. Back into ABS plastic for a stretch there. That's where you see that bathroom tied in, or the bathroom sink that's running right now is tied in, and then we come back up the roof vent. We don't need to see the roof vent, so I'm going to end the recording there.